I want to build a DJ controller, but I don't know how. Last video, I tried and failed making a VU meter with a different kind of IC chip. I'm out of luck, so I decided to look for a different solution. As it turns out, I'm not the only one interested in this kind of thing. That's when I came across Gustavo Silveira's Traktorino, a DIY open source DJ controller. Those are a lot of buzzwords, and one day I'd like to go over what they mean to me, but that's not going to be in this episode. His documentation covers all the basics from coding to components, and it seems like the perfect blueprint to study from and change things up. My hope is that little by little, I'll learn what each component does and eventually get to build my own DJ controller. Full disclosure, I've been following Gustavo Silveira's work for a while. His YouTube channel is extremely informative and covers concepts that I wanted to get familiar with. I was so interested that I decided to get his course on how to make MIDI instruments. But I'm not sponsored. I'll leave links to his channel or the name of his channel in the description below. Right now, I'm still trying to figure out how to control LEDs on a DJ controller. And while that doesn't sound like the craziest thing or most important part of a DJ controller, LEDs are important for mixers because they use it to troubleshoot their audio issues on the fly. As for the bit shifter, I'll try to relay what I understand. My last solution that failed used an integrated circuit chip called the LM3914. It took a constant stream of electricity and lit up 10 LEDs according to how much electricity there was. That's where the 74HAC595 bit shifter comes in. Also known as the 595, this chip takes in serial data, a series of ones and zeros. It takes these ones and zeros one at a time at the speed of a clock. After 8 bits are pushed into what's called a shift register, you wait on a latch pulse, and that latch pulse takes those 8 that were in the shift register and puts it into the storage register. From that storage register, that's what's displayed onto the LEDs. Nothing appears until that latch goes off and stores the data. So basically, every 8 bits of information, 1 and zeros, is a screenshot that is displayed in batches. Unlike the VU solution like last time, where it was running in real time, this one is made and programmed to look like a VU meter. By having its ability to receive serial information gives me the power to control what it looks like. Not to mention that this chip could be daisy chained, which allows for less inputs and more outputs. This is why the 595 is so important. In Arduino projects, the brain is extremely powerful, but it's also very limiting. Arduino microcontrollers, or those little chips that are in charge of the programming, only come with so many output pins. As the controller gets more complex and more things are added onto it, you need as many pins as you can get. When looking over the Traktorino controller, the 595 is one of 3 really essential components that makes this whole thing possible. That means there's more to figure out, and so I'll keep you posted. This is the 17th of April, signing out.